Hi guys and welcome to this new YouTube video. Today we're going to talk about another fast way to make money online. This business model is known as POD or print on demand. POD consists of printing a design on an item once someone buys it. The items could be multiple things such as t-shirts, wall arts, mugs, and much more. At the moment when someone clicks on the buy button of your shop, there's a POD industry that prints your design on the item for you and they also send it to your customers. That POD industry takes a percentage on the sales you make and that's how you pay them for their services. I saw many people succeed in that and they are generating millions of dollars every year with this method. Well, but many people don't know where to go and what to do to start a POD business, so let's get started. Firstly, you need to choose what kind of item you want to sell. As I've said, it could be everything from wall arts to t-shirts to mugs or many other things. Once you have chosen an item, you can get started with serious things. The second step is to create a design. Creating a design is not that easy for some people, but I have several ways to make it easier for you. If you have the money to, you can pay some dude on Fiverr or Upwork to do the design for you. You just need to give them a few instructions on how you want it to be. Another way to create a design is to use Canva. Canva is the easiest photo editing software that I know, and if you want to make it even easier, you can use a free template and edit it a little by changing the color or whatever, and boom, you have a design. Thirdly, you have to post your product in a shop. Imagine if you've chosen t-shirts as your item, you need to get some pictures of a t-shirt with your design on it, post it on an online shop, type in your brand name, and fix your price. The shop on which you need to post it is called Etsy. Etsy.com is a website where some people sell physical or digital products and some people buy these products. The good thing on Etsy is that it has its own marketing system. Lastly, you need to connect that Etsy business account to a POD industry. The POD industry that I want to share with you is Printful. Printful is a print-on-demand industry that does all the stuff I've just mentioned earlier for you, and you pay them by giving them a percentage on the sales you make. If you want to get more customers faster, you can promote your product on social media, but as I've said, Etsy has its own marketing system and strategy. Making money online is a complex task for some people, but I guarantee you that's not that difficult. All you gotta do is to start and take action. I've got you all the steps and all the links are in the description, so why are you still here? That's it for today and thanks for watching.